you're sitting on a big opportunity based on how social media was working before and how social media works nowadays. And if you're still thinking that social media is working only once you have a huge audience and you need a lot of followers, you're wrong and you're sitting on a huge opportunity that you won't take a chance at. So, firstly, I would like to talk to you about, I'm gonna just move myself a bit lower so that I'm not in the way. So, first, I want to talk about that before social media was based on followers, meaning you were posting and only the followers that you were having that were following your account, only these handful of people were seeing your posts, nothing else. And so social media was based on I need to post more, I need to have shitloads of volume so that people would discover my account and then share it with others and then build a following. And it was basically an opportunity for the people that had 100K plus, 1 million plus. All these people that were having huge accounts were having huge opportunities because most of the brands' accounts and so on, they were only looking up to the people that built this specific account up to too much, I would say. Now, social media right now works a bit different because I don't know if you posted anything, but if you haven't, you should. When you're posting something on Instagram, as an example, you have two bars after a few days or a few hours after you posted. You have two bars with followers and non-followers. Now, what does this mean? It means your piece of content, firstly, will be shown to the people that follow you. So whenever you're posting something, the people that follow you should see it first. Now, the algorithm can work in different ways. We don't know exactly how, and we don't know what's the percentage, but it could be that it's going to be shown 50% of your to 50% of your followers, and it will be shown to the people that are not following you yet. Maybe let's say 50% as well. It's just as an example. Now that means that from the moment you create a new account, you can start posting your first post and get to, I don't know, 2,000 views, 3,000 views, to some incredible views that you wouldn't expect. Now, you could also post something, and if it's damn good, that specific post can go up to million of views. Now, what does this actually mean? It means new accounts, smaller accounts, are visible. So it increases your visibility because you post something and the algorithm will try and search for the people that most likely will be attracted to that piece of content, to the people that most likely will share, connect with that. Because nowadays, the algorithm has one single interest: to keep people on the platform. Imagine that the more people stay on the platform, the more the company makes money, the more money the company makes. So it's in the company's interest to send your post to an audience that will like, engage, share, and so on. Why? Because when people engage with your content, they might just go and binge some other content that you're having. And so for the platform, it's a win situation. Now, this unlocks something very, very big. Let's do this again. It unlocks the following thing. All the accounts were able to make money because they had a huge following. And because of that, it was easier for them to make money because everything was easier once you had an audience that you could serve. Now, this changes a lot because not only in the old way, you could have made the money like that, and it changes a lot because in the new way, you literally can make money with less than 100 followers. You can make money with 1,000 followers, and you can make money like in the range from, if you're having 100 followers, you can make somewhere up to $500 to $1,000 from it. It depends how you serve those people. It depends if for this 100 people you have a digital product. I'll just write DP. You have a digital product, or you have a training, or you have a webinar, or you're adding them to a wait list because you'll be doing a cohort. So it depends what you're serving them. But at 100 followers, I personally think you're not at the point where people would buy expensive stuff from you yet, unless you have some proof that you managed to get some results to someone. So my recommendation is, with 100 followers, just go straight into digital product. Find a hyper specific problem that you can treat with your original solution. Run that by having a research and asking your audience what would they need based on the skills that you're having. Create a digital product and start selling it for $9. Now, why do I say that? I say it because it's an impulse product. It means someone sees that you're gonna help them with a specific solution for their hyper specific problem, and it only costs $9. For you, it's $9 to enter your world in your business, where you can afterwards sell them more stuff or upsell them into coaching or done for you, or you serve them more products like a bump, like an upsell, like a second and the third upsell. But this social media way right now, it unlocks, literally, if you do content the right way, if you're doing content and you're targeting the right people, as in if you're having a solution for the people that work in corporate and would like to build a business on the side, address and create content for them. This will attract into these 100 followers. You'll attract the people that you're talking to into these 100 followers. They'll be interested in whatever you're talking about. And then you can literally have a digital product and sell that to them. So nowadays, social media unlocks you making money from it from the first post. I've seen accounts that are doing, with 1,000 followers, they're doing 10K per month. And I've seen a lot of creators that are stuck in the old way of thinking about, I need more followers so that people would see me, So then I can at some point turn these into buyers. The problem with that is if you sit on it for too long, people will be getting used to the free stuff that you're having and that you're giving them away. And at some point you want to turn this free stuff and you want to start charging. They'll be like, but so far you gave everything for free, now we want to monetize, fuck off. You might have built trust, you might have built interest, you might have built curiosity and entertainment, but you haven't built the trust that people would like to buy into your solution. And so I often say to my students, if you're having 500 followers, start selling something. I don't care what, but start selling something so that people get used to the idea that this is a business. We're not just doing entertainment. It's a business and I want to make money out of it. And so to make this even more like press on it, Instagram, as an example, has trial reels, which literally says that if you're having, if you breach the requirements of, I think it was 1,000 followers, if you have 1,000 followers and you have a bunch of people in your audience that are looking up to you and are buying stuff from you, you can turn that, or you can turn pieces of content into trial reels that will be shown only to non-followers. Now, sit a while on that idea and think that you can exploit this in so many ways. You can literally create content for this in so many ways, but that's not the point of this. The point is that trial reels, even if you have an audience, when you post trial reels, it will be shown to non-followers. So the algorithm or the platform gives you another way so that you can get out of your audience and have something shown to the people that need to see that piece of content. And so if you're not posting and you're still sitting on this and you're thinking, fuck, I need 1,000 followers, I need a huge audience in order to sell something, I created an account literally 7 days ago and I've been posting like a maniac because I want to have posts that are very low effort and that engage with the right audience. And you can check this. It's been 7 days since I have the account. I have 100 posts, around 10-12 posts I made per day, and I have 44 followers. And if I go onto views in the last days, look at this. Look at this number. So this clearly shows that it doesn't matter how many people follow you. If you do content correctly and you target the people that you need to target for your audience, the algorithm would do its best to show them. And so if you want to build something together, there's a community below. You can just click on it. You have more details there. I'll work with you and we'll build a digital products together and I'll help you launch them. And you can start making money with your content. Cheers.